The cosine law can be used to solve for a side of a triangle if you know the other two sides and if you know the angle that is formed by those two sides. The cosine law formula is a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos A. You see right here. So in the diagram example that we have shown here, we know side B equals 6, and we know side C equals 10, and we also know angle A. So the situation that we have is we have a side that we know, another side that we know, and we know the angle that they form, and we're trying to figure out the length of the side that is across from that angle. And that's the classic setup for the cosine law. So we know it will work here. We're fortunate in this diagram that little a is the unknown, and in the version of the cosine law that we're using, it's little a that's on the left-hand side, isolated. So we can just go ahead and substitute the numbers into this equation. So we will have a squared equals b squared, which is 6 squared, plus c squared, which is 10 squared, subtract 2, multiplied by b, multiplied by c, multiplied by the cosine of angle A, 70 degrees. So a squared will equal 36 plus 100 minus 120 times the cosine of 70 degrees. And the cosine of 70 degrees is about 0.342. So a squared is equal to approximately $94.958. And therefore a is the square root of that number, which is about 9.74. Have a quick look at the diagram and make sure that that side A looks like it's about 9.74. And it does seem about right given the size and shape of this triangle. So that's how we can use the sine law, or the cosine law, to solve for a missing side of a triangle.